Hi, Zoe Darlington here, Pure Improvement. I hope you're okay. Just a quick video, a quick update on some stuff that I've been working on recently. Yeah, I'm quite excited about, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Yes, over the years, I've been working on management systems, ISO 9001 and AS 9100 in the background. But I guess a lot of you have seen from recent posts that I've been a lot more involved in business improvement and continuous improvement, and I've been working with some of you guys on continuous improvement, and I absolutely love that. I'm absolutely passionate about it. I love that whole working with the management teams on the business vision, the business objectives, working on cascading that down throughout the organization, and then working with teams on the sort of on the shop floor to actually implement those improvements and do Kaizen events and all of that good stuff. I'm absolutely passionate about it and always will be doing that, and it always gives me an absolute buzz. But one thing that I've noticed since I've been working on business improvement is I'd kind of been treating business improvement and my ISO and management systems as two separate entities almost. And then I've realised recently that I kind of have to pull them back together. When I'm working on business improvement, one of the things that I've realised is in order to get sustainable improvement within a business, it really has to be ingrained within the business. It has to be ingrained within their business systems, their management systems and IT systems. And I'll talk a little bit about that in a moment. But that whole business improvement framework and ensuring that it kind of carries on sustainably and it doesn't need a business improvement consultant to sort of live in your factory forever. It really needs to be ingrained in your management systems. So I've kind of swung back around and thought about actually, in order to sort of really deliver sustainable improvement, it needs to be through management systems and working with your management systems, as well as doing the whole working with teams, the whole coaching and, running events and everything else. But it really has to be ingrained within the management system. So many businesses, you seem to have a quality management or a management system that kind of sits over here, quite often in Word documents and old-fashioned documents, and then we'll have our continuous improvement projects going on over here, slightly separate, and then you'll have IT doing their own thing. When actually what the business really needs is for all of these things to kind of be pulled together into one system that delivers sales. It's that sales order delivery process, whilst also facilitating the kind of objectives and business improvement and driving the business improvement activity. So it really does need that kind of, the three things pulling together. So I'm working very closely with, so I'm going back to sort of, so I'm pulling those together. But what I'm also doing is I'm working closely with some very talented people, and I've been reaching out and looking for some really talented people that I can work with. The first one, which you may have seen on recent posts, is Stefan de Vries. Now, Stefan de Vries founded Titanify, and he's an absolute techie. He's a complete tech nerd. And what I love about Stefan is that he works with businesses on the systems that they already have in place and looks at getting the most out of those systems and optimizing those systems and pulling them together. So he'll go into a business, he'll look at the CRM, the MRP systems and the communication systems, and look at sort of connecting them with Microsoft 365, for example, which most businesses have got and most businesses are certainly not getting the most out of. and using things like AI and Copilot and all of that good stuff to kind of pull together some sort of more stronger integrated systems. So I've been working with Stefan de Vries, and we're really quite excited because we're looking at bringing management systems and connecting them with the IT systems. So we have that whole, so we don't have a quality management manual over here. We have a live system that's connected to the IT infrastructure, and it meets the person at their place of work, and it drives improvement, and it gives people the information they need when they need it, but also driving improvement and has those processes embedded in the background. So I'm really quite excited about that because it's kind of like management systems for the future. And yeah, I'm hoping that I can work with as many businesses as possible on that, because also one of the things that I'm doing is I'm reaching out to other talented people, continuous improvement, business improvement experts, 9001 experts, AS 9100 experts, 14,001 experts, 27,001 experts. So we can so I can touch more businesses. And obviously and offer a lot more, offer a complete system that drives that business improvement whilst also keeping you compliant to AS 9100, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, 27001, and and also like 14,001, I'll go back to 14,001, but environmental improvement is actually an absolute passion of mine. It's something from my values, and my personal values is something that I really want to make an impact, and I really want to work with businesses and help to sort of move businesses in the right direction, getting ready for net zero, and working with them on environmental improvements. So the scope 1, 2 and 3, the carbon emissions, looking at the impact that they're having on the wider world, biodiversity. So I'm also talking with experts in those fields as well. So that's quite exciting. So anyway, just thought I'd share that. So watch this space. If you want to contact me, contact me, DM me, email me, whatever. I'd love to hear from you. And have a nice week, and I'll catch you later.